What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here with me, and today I'm doing a orange berry quench loaded tea. So what you're gonna need is raspberry tea, orange liftoff, you're gonna need cranberry aloe, and then cherry flavoring. So I have already my orange liftoff, which is crushed in here. The only reason why I crush it is because it's easier to dissolve. So I'm gonna put that in here with some tea. I'm doing raspberry tea. I'm doing half a teaspoon. I know my measures, so I'm like free pouring. But if not, usually I would use, I would suggest to use a measuring spoon. So I'm gonna do that with some hot water, about, I don't know how much. I eyeball it pretty much. So we're gonna do that. So orange liftoff and raspberry tea is in here, just dissolving a bit. Cranberry aloe, 1 squirt of it. So which is about 3 capfuls. I gotta mix it because apparently it's not dissolving as I would wish it would. So yeah, a tablespoon, 3 capfuls, it's the same thing. You pour that in the bottom of your glass and then you load it up with some ice. So just fill it up with ice. Obviously I do not have enough. Therefore I have my handy ice bag right next to me. And I'm going to fill it all the way to the top. And I'm gonna keep it nearby because I'm probably gonna need it later. So once that's done, that's the bottom layer. I'm gonna add some water. So just some water on top to separate the colors basically. All right, so adding some water. So tea, liftoff, and aloe is added. What I'm gonna add next is cherry flavoring. So I'm gonna add a little bit of cherry flavoring inside a cup or a measuring cup, however you wanna call it. Dilute that in water. And here I am with my cherry flavoring. If you want it a little darker, then you can just add a little more. I'm gonna go for a little darker. There we go. And I'm just gonna pour that on top. And the fact that there is water between the red and the orange, it really helps separate both colors. And that's it. Topped off orange berry quench. I'm a little scared to lift it because it's so full. There you go. I'm gonna enjoy this. And guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will be sharing more and more recipes. But this is great for energy. If you're low on energy, if you need extra vitamins, the vitamin B6, 12, there's vitamin C, there's ginseng, there's guarana, and there's aloe, which is great for digestion. This is my lifesaver. So just subscribe to the channel and I will be sharing more videos with you guys. Have a great day.